How are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also, and waiting for the videos also, right? Because these are very interesting to you. I came to know you are enjoying videos, and I'm sure you had gone through that first part of this chapter, chapter 4, the Mulan, and now I'm here with the second part of this chapter, video 2, and the chapter is Mulan. I'm sure you are enjoying these videos, right? So don't forget chapter 4 and the story is Mulan, right? Already you came to know what was the story. Till that part we have finished. Because of Mulan's sincere work or dedication, she was appointed as second command. Till that we learned. Now here, one day suddenly two Li Khan's men attacked camp. Mulan fights fiercely to defeat the camp of China, right? Fiercely means bravely, just like lion she fought, right? And for what she fought? To protect the camp of China. The Fa Ling also fights. Fa Ling, who is that Fa Ling? Commanding in charge, okay? Commanding officer. Fa Ling, he also joined and he also fights with them, right? So who came to fight? Who came to defeat? Tu Li Khan's men, right? So she fought bravely, and Tu Li Khan's men came to fight, to attack, to defeat China, and the people of China, they also were ready to fight with them, right? And Fa Ling, commanding officer, also joined. The emperor appreciated Mulan because she fights bravely and defeated the opponent party. Fa Ling, commanding officer, appreciated Mulan as she fought bravely. After 2 weeks, one of Tu Li Khan's battalions again attacks a fort guided by Fa Ling. Fa Ling was guided, Fa Ling was protected in a particular place, and there Tu Li Khan's people came and attacked. Now Fa Ling, he sent a soldier whose name Zhang Ying, because he was not having so many ammunition, okay, ammunition, okay, ammunition means astra shastra, weapons, gun, like that, and supplies also. Supplies means food items, okay. So as he was not having sufficient ammunitions and supplies, he asked one of his soldiers, whose name was Zhang Ying, to go to the base camp and bring supplies and soldiers and ammunition, means that weapons, guns, like that, okay, tools. Tu Li Khan's men came to know that on the way he defeated them and took the supplies and ammunition from Zhang Ying. Opponent party, Tu Li Khan's men, they came to know that Jha went to the base camp and coming with lots of food item, means supplies and ammunition. So he wanted to stop him so that they could not reach, or he could not reach to the Faling, the commanding officer, otherwise they may win. So because of that, on the way only he attacked. Tuli Khan's men attacked and snatched or took all the supplies from him and ammunition also, and stopped there to reach to the Faling. Then obviously they were defeated, and then he felt very sorry because of me they took away our supplies and ammunition, and how I will go to the emperor right now. Emperor sent me to take all these things, and on the way only all these things were taken by the Tuli Khan's men. So he was feeling very sad, he was feeling very bad. So because of me all these things happened. Then Mulan, she told him, don't feel bad, it's not your fault. People, they came and took, you didn't give to them. No, why you are feeling bad? Let us do something. Then what happened? That he felt very bad, and then what happened? Jiang Ying felt very bad. Mulan said to him, don't feel bad. Then what happened? She decided to do something. She went to Tuli Khan and pretends to work for him, as she will be removed from China emperor after this huge loss. Faling is waiting for this ammunition and supplies, no? And in between, on the way, all these things were taken by the Tuli Khan's men. So Jiang Ying feeling bad, at the same time Mulan also. So Mulan, what did she do? She went to Khan's only, Tuli Khan's only, Tuli Khan, and there she pretends that I have come here to work for you. She was pretending मतलब बना के बोलना, okay, making something differently so that he may have faith upon her. उनको विश्वास होना चाहिए कि वो सही बोल रही है. और तुली खान क्या बोला कि आपको क्यों मैं विश्वास करूं कि आप इधर आए हो उनको छोड़ के. So because of that she pretends, acting किया. She acted that she wants to work with Tuli Khan's only, as she is going to be removed from the China because these things were taken by your people. I was not responsible to protect these supplies and things. Then Tuli Khan, he said, how could I believe you that you left that China, you left that army of China and you wanted to work with me? Then he said, okay, bring all the supplies and ammunition to me. If you have left China army, then you bring all the supplies and ammunition to me. Next in the morning, she brought all these supplies and ammunition to the Tuli Khan. And seeing that, he was very happy. Yes, you are right. Now I can believe that you left that China army and you wanted to work with me. So he accepted. And then again she said, if you want more, Mulan said, if you want more, you can come with me to the riverside. There all more supplies are there, and people are also there with ammunition, with that guns, weapons, tools like that, and they are also having food or supplies. If you want to have, you can come with me. I will show you. There also we are having food items, means that supplies and ammunition. So Tuli Khan, he believed, and he went. Tuli Khan and Tuli Khan's men went to the river side, that is Hetsui. She told they are working there, they are having lots of ammunition and supplies, food item. Then what happened? Mulan was very clever, you know. So this way, when they reached there, they attacked Mulan and Mulan's men, all soldiers they attacked, and she defeated Tuli Khan and Tuli Khan's men, because that was her trick to defeat them, because already they have taken their ammunition and supplies. So this way she took them there, and there she took all ammunition and supplies back. So this way Tuli Khan and his men, all these things got back to Faling. They take all supplies and ammunition to Faling, their commanding officer, and this way she saved China. This way Mulan saved China along with other soldiers also. Jiang Ying took Mulan to Faling because ultimately he was feeling bad. Jiang Ying, he was feeling bad, but he saw how nicely Mulan handled this situation, and all these things took back from the Khan's party. So he was very happy. Jiang Ying took Mulan to Faling. The emperor was very happy because of how only they were saved, all the ammunitions and supplies got back. So because of that, the emperor was very happy. He wanted to award her. He asked her wish. He asked her wish. Okay, Mulan, I am very happy with you. You are very sincere. You are working very well. So I want to grant some wish of you, some wishes of you. You just tell me your wish. Then Mulan said, "My lord, my majesty, I didn't do alone. We all did together. But I want to go to my parents. I want to go to my parents. You just allow me to go to my parents." So he granted. The emperor was very happy. He granted, and Mulan went to her parents, and parents were very happy. Seeing her, parents were also very happy. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the story and got something so that you can also apply in your life, right? Be smart, obey your parents, and learn what you want to learn, right? Thank you so much, dear all. Bye. Take care.